Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Kuli. Today we want to see how we can install Nessus Vulnerability Scanner. So Nessus is one of the best vulnerability scanners in the market, and so it's not free, but there is a free version just for education, so you cannot do business stuff with that, but to learn in a laboratory environment you can use that. And yeah, let's see how we can install it. So this is my Kali Linux machine, and this is the link to download the Nessus. So I will share the link in description, and once you hit this link with your Kali Linux, so automatically you will get this settings for this version and Linux Ubuntu. So then you can just easily download that. I already downloaded that, and then yeah, I don't need to download it again. But when you download that, then we will go to the next step. So here, just let me make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, so now I'm in my download directory, and I see the file that I just downloaded. So now we want to install that, and sudo pkg-i, and now we want to install that. So let's see how much does it take. So now it's downloaded, and now let's you can see it's written here. So now we should do this command to run that. So start Nessus okay, sorry, I missed something. Service Nessus start. Let's see, I think this is the correct one, right? So now I give again my password, and now the service is running. So then let's see if we can see the Nessus dashboard. Okay, just let me copy, open the link. It should also work. And yeah, we come here, and then we just need to advance, accept the risk, and hopefully, yeah, oh, very good. So now this is our Nessus Vulnerability Scanner, and yeah, we should now register this one. May register our Nessus and also create a user and password. So meanwhile, we can register. So Goli and so now we need to register the so we already registered that, and I should receive an email. Yeah, so now I think it's done. So let's continue that. Set up, register for Nessus Essential, and skip here because we already registered, and the activation code which I got on my email. So 6W. Yeah, so we registered that, and now a username. So now so set up the console. So there it's downloading some plugins. yes, I think finally we have the dashboard, and now it's loading. So now you see we cannot work with the dashboard because it needs more time, but after waiting a couple of minutes, so these two options will be also available. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is the dashboard itself. So this video just was about installing, how to install that. So I will create another video about how to scan and how to work with Nessus, but yeah, this is the service. And yeah, have fun. And when we want to, just one more thing, so when we want to stop that, so we can just come here and say stop. And now this dashboard, you know, when we refresh that, so you see the Nessus is down and it's not working. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you later. Bye bye.